Hey, welcome, and good morning, gang. It is 9:27 actually, 3 minutes early for you guys here. We are just rocking and rolling with the world famous The Trading Cowboy. Good morning, sir.
Let's go. Good morning, guys.
Shoo. So, man, what a little dumper that we just had too. Actually, quite recently at 8:40 here. We kind of dumped back down, but we have a whole bunch of support as you're seeing. Look at this just massive chunk of volume here. So,
Yeah, you'd like to think this was going to be the bottom.
yeah. Well, that's what I'm almost thinking, man, too. And I'm not one for like pre-market trades and then hold for like, the bell or anything like that. But does this
Yeah.
not feel like one of those times that you'd actually maybe take a pre-market trade? Like you put one on with a sell up here, like the 911s or something. Like,
Yeah, I'd feel a little better if we could enter right here and it go up maybe 10 points and you could set like a little stop and just see if it just pumps straight up.
yeah, man.
But yeah, it's building out a little bear flag right now, but it sure looks like this is the perfect bottom of that 820. So,
Right. Well, and that's true too. You always got to zoom out. You're right. Because when we zoom out to like the 5 minute, for example, why is this the 1 hour? Why am I clicking on the 5 minute and it's showing me the 1 hour? Well, that's
yeah,
silly.
5 minute. 5 minute looks like a definite bear flag with that 200's holding right there. So,
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Let me change this really quick because that screwed up somehow. There we go. Yeah, I agree. So 5 minute wise, boom, beautiful looking bear flag. But still, I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do one. I don't know. I'm just feeling silly this
sweet.
morning, right? We're gonna try one.
Let's do
We're
it.
gonna try our pre-market trade. We're targeting 910. We're targeting 90 points for this thing. Which, again, keep in mind, 5 minute is showing a healthy bear flag. So not necessarily the smartest thing that we're gonna do on this channel, but not
But it's
necessarily
not
the
the
dumbest.
it's not the dumbest either.
You know? What time is it? All right, 9:29. We got 30 seconds left. Follow us for more gambling advice. Hey, good news. Good morning, sir. How are we doing today? We're breaking all our rules here, man. We know that we see a bear flag. We're punching it in long. We're punching it in long to see if we get a pop rip all the way up here to the 900s. We got 8 seconds left. Oh, are you in it too? Nice.
Oh yeah, you said
Nice. Let's ride the
you don't have to
friggin'
talk. You don't have to talk to me very hard about a long.
Let's ride the lightning together, my boy. Let's see. Let's see. Oh no. Are we wrong? Come on.
We're not right now.
Well, we're definitely not right. Well, that's what we get for doing gambles. I guess you gotta. I was gonna say you almost gotta give it the full minute, don't you?
Yeah, and if you make it real small, it looks like it's closer than it is.
Right, right.
It doesn't look like you're down so much.
If you make it real small. Welcome to Sink or Swim Trading, where we have sunk. All right, shit, man. Well, I wasn't even targeting a stop on this thing, so we might want to get out. We might want to get out eventually. All right, here we go.
What do we have to lose?
Right, right.
Yeah, good
Come
news.
on.
We're diving right now, but we're fixing to come back to the surface. We hope.
Yeah. Oh
Look at
shit, you're
that.
already at
Look at
break
that.
even, man. You averaged down. I didn't average
Oh
down.
yeah.
Oh shit, I should have. Yeah, I should have, because yeah, we really fell there. Let's see. It's almost silly to do it now, but we'll see. Come on, let's get a little ripskis. Little ripskis.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Now we're up. Now we're up on the trade. Don't call it a comeback, gang. We're up $4 on the day.
What do
Shoo!
we do? What do we do? 152.
Damn, dude, look at you.
Come on.
You devil. You stinking devil. So what did you average down to? How many did you add on?
I ended up having, well, what happened? I ended up having 5.
Oh, okay.
And it was really nice when they sold my last one. My last one was actually like in the 760s, I think. Was
Yeah. Yeah.
So
nice. Woof. All right, so bear flag played out. We can agree that the bear flag played out. Let's see. We might. Oh, hold on one sec. Oh, right.
Yeah, good news. That was a rush. Good way to get your blood pumping for the morning to start for sure. So just hold your breath and jump in.
Dad, give me back.
Nice little pump right there. Almost tried to grab it. Thought it was going to dip down to the 75s, but need to be patient. This is just straight machine gunning.
Yeah, I told him that too. So he kind of hucked some stuff. And now he's just lying over there with his naked tush out.
No, we're not fighting. We gotta be careful.
Alright, whoops. Locked her out of the house.
Because,
We need to. Did you get the my garage door clicker back from your
yes,
mom?
I clipped it onto the 2-tier tray the day she took it.
Okay. Alright. Shoot, man, I wish we were in the stinking long. What time is it? 9:33. We're gonna get a new candle in 5 seconds.
Are you frustrated?
I mean, on the 1 hour, obviously, London high 940. I have to imagine we're going up, right?
I don't know. I mean, I really want to punch that short, but
You're
I mean,
trying
yeah,
to punch
we're
a
setting
short.
up-
Interesting, man.
We,
Right.
we,
all right,
we
all
had,
right, all
we
right.
had a
Let's look
good
at the-
move, but
Let's look at the 5 minute. You're right. Let's look at the 5 minute.
I mean, I'm just looking at that wick we had just there, and I mean, it really rejected, and then the 9's holding right here, but
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's just straight machine gunning.
He goes, you're so cold.
The poor guy. He doesn't like
Oh
that.
man, you got snot.
Man, never lose.
His daddy side of the bed.
Shoot, man. Well, don't let me talk you out of a short because
Oh, I'm talked out of it now. I mean, it's already
that
dropped.
short is kind of short.
Dad, I got the whole side of.
You're done already? Good news. Dang, you punch a big one or did you punch a bad one? Nvidia gapped up, but it's curling down a little bit still. Qs are trying to push up a little. ES curled down, kind of past its support point, but
These are perfect.
Qs are pushing, VIX is pushing. What are we thinking, gang? What are we thinking? Yeah, look at Nvidia starting to push down.
It looks like we're going to get a little leg down here, but
Yeah.
but that 755 area has been really good support. So
Yeah, so basically we're at the top of our, is this the top of our opening range high of yesterday? We're basically right at the top of that box.
oh yeah, sure enough, the top of that box, 776, our dreaded 776. That was pre-market last night, wasn't it?
Yeah,
What was our? Okay, the 800s, I guess.
Hey, Charles, today is the day we conquer the market. If not, we will come back tomorrow and try again. My proverbial fortune cookie friend. I love it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think the people that make it in the market is the ones that don't run out of money for evals, right?
Those that don't give up. Those that don't give up. I got my $18.90. My $18.90 for Apex.
Heck yeah.
You 90% off beauty, you. Which again, man, I gotta imagine they still had like 2 or 3 days left of the 80% off sale, and then decided to pop it up to a 90%. So I think Apex needs money.
Did you feed him?
I did not.
You
Because
know, I
he threw
think for a
tantrum
lot of those
and then it
pop
just
firms,
hit.
I think the gold, silver, natural gas, and all that really got them when everybody started jumping in those. And
Yeah. Which is crazy that a lot of places are restricting trading of it because of the volatility.
yeah, yeah.
Like, in fact, I think Tradeovate is almost one of them, isn't it? Can we trade gold or silver right now on Tradeovate? I don't even know.
Well, I know Apex you can't, so if you're on that, you can't. But I think Take Profit Trader, TPT, you can still do some of it. I got a buddy that's still doing some gold at night. So
No. Hey, good morning, Driving Obsession. Good morning, sir. Man, Nvidia's still curling down. Shoot, man, should we be punching these shorts?
man, it's just sitting right here, and then it jumps up.
I know it.
Like 20 points, and then back
Right.
right down to here, and it sure looks like it wants to lose this area right here. But
And if it goes, I have a feeling it's going to go quick, which will be frustrating. VIX is still going up. Man, I might try one. Let's see if we can't get a little action. See if we can't get a little movement. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Ah, shoot.
nice little pump.
Do 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 do. Nice. Well, there you go, Kang. We're up $38 on the day finally.
Heck
Shee.
yeah.
Shee. This is the type of excitement you guys pay money for.
That's right.
Oh, yeah. Scale wise, are you still starting at 2s? Are you doing 1s?
Yeah, you know, if we haven't been sure, I kind of get in with 1, but I've been trying to do 2. That way I could take off 1 real quick if it's a good momentum pop. So
Yeah.
same way I do with my minis. You know, I usually go in with 2 with the minis, and I take 1 off. You know, if it's a good pop, I get that quick 10 points, and
Yep.
then there's my $200. So
Got that
I'm doing
buffer.
the exact same thing here. Yeah.
Yep. Well, we're trying to form a little tiny bull flag on the 1 minute. Still forming a nice big old fat juicy bear flag on the 5. Ooh, ES pushed up pretty darn strong though. The only thing that's scary is Nvidia. VIX is still coming down. Q's is but Nvidia is still coming down.
Yeah, I mean, we really don't want it to go fill that gap if we're trying to go long.
Right. Which makes me just chomping at the bit for these shorts still too. Huh. What are you gonna do, Nvidia? What are you gonna do, you slide devil? Did you like our twinning combo video? I like that. I like that title.
Yeah.
I thought that was a funny title.
And you know, it usually works pretty good for us if it is like that. If we both have confirmation, it's usually a really
Oh
nice
yeah,
trade.
I know it. Well, especially again, I mean, the biggest thing I need to work on is holding trades. So yeah, it's really helpful when we have kind of same conviction because it's like, all right, he's still in it.
Yeah.
So good news is saying that Dow is going up, so NQ should follow. Man, the only
I
thing I'm
believe
scared
that.
about, Mr. Good News, is right here. That's a big old fat juicy. Why is this all messed up? Huh. I don't know. I mean, maybe it won't fill the gap, or maybe it'll fill the gap later. Right now, it's popping up pretty darn good. NVIX is crushing pretty good. ES is going. Qs are going. We got this big old volume shelf right here, too. Ratia. Oh, shoot. Look at that. But here's about to hit our 200, right? Our 200 EMA, which that was a great little short point yesterday. That would be 863 is our 200.
I'm going to try a little short right there. Nobody follow me. I'm just doing it off of this resistance we had here.
Yeah,
I'm going to
no,
give it maybe,
I'm in as
I'm gonna
well,
give it
man.
maybe 20 points.
I agree with it, just purely because we're bouncing off the, you know, it's a 200 EMA bounce. We're hoping, right?
Yeah.
Or rejection, I mean, 200 EMA rejection.
Yeah. I mean, if we hit this 770s, that's probably my, well, it probably should be like 775.
Mm-hmm.
If it pops over that, I'll just exit. I want to see a little pop right here and then a big rejection is kind of, not a big pop, but
Yeah.
good morning, Miguel. Yeah, let's go, buddy.
Hey,
Good to see you here.
Miguel. Morning, bud. Morning, Miguel's mom. Appreciate you guys hopping on. Day 2, which I never said. Oh, I didn't say that in my intro. You know, for the people that watch it afterwards, they might get intrigued. But yeah, day 2 of our eval challenge. Woo!
Whoa, look
Like
at that.
that? Something like that, Mr. Cowboy? Is that what we were looking for?
That's it.
Shoo!
So I took 3 of them off. I'm holding one. I'm just going to keep it at the top here and see what
You
happens.
sneaky devil. 200 EMA rejection. Textbook 200 EMA rejection. Perfectly done. Perfectly executed.
There's
We're up.
40 points, guys. Feel
Hell
free to take
yeah.
some off.
Hell yeah, man. Shoot, I only had 2 of them, so I took both, unfortunately, relatively quick. Beautiful trade, bud.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Just get out of it.
Beautiful trade. Yeah, there's some crazy
good,
wicks now, man. What are you at?
Yeah.
I can't see it. What are you at?
272.
Shoo! Not bad. 15 minutes in. 15 minutes in, boys.
And you know, guys, as big as that rejection was, we may get a pretty decent pop now.
Yeah,
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 if we can
because
get over this 872 area.
Yep. I
That was
did.
probably
Yeah,
the
I did.
pullback we wanted to target long, but
Yeah. Shoot, man. Yeah, I mean, good on you to get trailed that stop perfect, right? Because these
Yeah.
wicks ended up being huge, and I agree with you. We're ripping through the 200, so. And again, look at this volume shelf that we have at 831. That's basically just a giant springboard now. Kaboom.
I'm gonna try just one right there. I'm not gonna go heavy, and I'm just gonna keep my stop roughly maybe around the 40s, just to see if we can get a pop over now.
Maybe like the 911s even.
Yeah, you know, I'd really like to see that 895 at least. I didn't want to go in too heavy.
I mean, we might hit the springboard again. We might hit 830s.
Kind of look like it's breaking down a little bit, but
Ooh, I don't know. Nvidia's still pushing though, pretty nice. We did just our last, the 5-minute candle we're on wicked the top of our opening range.
I'm gonna add one right there at the 9 just to see. Stops are at 820.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. The 9 is at 846, so hopefully we just get a little 846 springboard.
Really looked like we were gonna get a nice pop right there, but
Well, we still haven't taken out London highs, which is 943. So, shit.
oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Right as Jackie walks in. That's what she hears. Shit.
I need to find a new dream.
Babe, get out of here. Get out of here, you sassy squirrel. The account is still up, Jackie.
Yeah. Leave it when I see that payout.
Yeah. Shit. Yeah, man, what a friggin' rejection
Yeah.
all the way down to 793. We got caught up in that, and you're back in, aren't you? Shit, I should have been
Well,
back in.
so I had a,
I should have been. Yeah.
I had 3, I had 2, and I had 1 stop. So when it went through, it kept that 1. So
Oh, okay.
I just added there at the bottom just to see if I could hold it and get back, at least get back to even. But
Because I could definitely see that just being a wick to scare people, which has scared me. It worked.
oh yeah, I mean I would have been out if I hadn't. I don't know if my stop didn't put it on or what.
Yeah. I mean, hopefully we should get a push back up to 857, unless it really is just ready to flush.
Yeah.
Nvidia's still kind of holding strong though. 788. Ugh, I don't want to hold this to 788. No, that's what we're basically doing anyways. You know? Come on. There it is. Push a little higher. Nope. Alright. Gray buttoned it. Got a little ground to make up. $8.50. 5 more seconds for a new candle. Been a little barcodey. A little
Yeah, it
barcodey.
really is.
I mean, look at those wicks, yeah. Nvidia's curling back down.
Yeah, Nvidia has a nice curl down, but then I mean you kind of want to think it's a bull flag on a 5-minute,
Yeah.
but you don't. I mean, it's okay if it goes and fills the gap as long as we're short when it does it.
Right. Which, yeah, if it breaks 790, I'll snag the short on the way down.
Yeah.
Do do do
Probably
do
like
do
getting
do
into it
do.
at like 9 right there. A good short, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean everything's curling. Boo, boo, boo. But at the same time, on the 5, 850. Oh, geez. Well, I'm glad I'm not in that friggin' short. Let's see what it does at 850. That's basically the top of the last 5-minute bodies. I'm going to try a short right there at the 8. Well, I was trying to target 850s, 840s. Stop at 886. Which is almost silly to do on just like a blind pump almost, but 868.
No, I like that shoulder right there for the short for sure.
You know?
Because you always see it pump up to those. You're gonna get a little rejection, and then you could get a pump. But
Right.
yeah, I see you. I see you and raise you 2 contracts.
You. All right. I'll hit it.
One.
I'll hit a second one. We'll stay there for a sec.
All right.
Let's
So my
see.
last one's at break even now. I'm just gonna see if we can get that flush back down. See if this was just a little bull trap.
Yep.
I mean, guys, we're up 20 points already on that last entry, so
Yeah,
feel
out of
free to
one.
take it. But I'm gonna see if we can just get the flush.
Yeah, trying to ride the second one, man. If we could target like even we could target 770s here.
We get that push back up. We'll look for some longs, maybe. Who knows?
Man, they're doing a real good job of getting me to flip flop on my positions.
Yeah. Well, I'm out there, guys. I still think we get a little push down, but Nvidia kind of dropped and bounced.
Oh
It's
yeah.
pulling back down. I still kind of think this is a good spot for the shorts. Kind
The
of
only thing
a
I
little
don't
bull
like is
flag.
I wish we had taken out our London highs already, which we haven't.
Right.
That would make me feel a little bit better. And now I don't like that we broke our previous. Yeah, I should have gotten out too. Ooh, shoot.
962.
All right, let's see if that was our 5-minute push there.
I mean, I definitely like it again right there for a little pullback.
Well, it might be a little
Let's see if we
early.
get it.
Oh, darn, yeah. Yeah, 920s honestly is the better short point. Shoot, 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 shoot. Do we want to ride at 30 more points? Not really.
I mean, I really like this shelf right here, but yeah, I don't.
Yeah, because 943, shit. Yeah, this is going against me. Did we catch the long, Marco? No, we didn't, man. We went the wrong way.
Oh.
And then I just rode the stop. I just kept riding the stops, too, actually. I got to get out of this trade now. I was seeing if I could snag a quick little down to get out of it, but... Because NVIDIA is still looking so stinking weak, too, which is frustrating, but... It definitely looks like it's bound and determined now to get, I don't know. I mean, again, 940s is London high, but then we have 962, so...
Yeah. that's
Shoot,
way
man, I
high.
don't. We shouldn't necessarily ride this 40 more points, you know. Let's see. 7 seconds left in this candle. Oh, so close, man. So stinking close.
Nice.
Dang it. Come on. Give us the
Nice,
rejection. This
Mark.
is Monday's high. Give us a Monday's high rejection. You finicky devil. Alright, we might have to call mercy on this thing. I don't know, man. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it's sure wanting to push right here, so.
Shit.
There's the
Yeah,
push.
shit.
All right, I'm done with that one.
Yeah, shit, right?
At least Mark got the long, though.
Yeah, Mark got the long. Well, you know, and here's our 962, man. If we should have just waited at this point, 2 more seconds.
Yeah.
Damn it. Well, gang. All right, so we took out London highs. We almost took out our early morning high. The biggest, the largest, sink or swim in the machine gun cowboy. Shoo! That 952 candle made me want to go long. I did what I thought trading cowboy would do. Waited for it to be retraced, 50%, then got in. I don't know. Yeah, man. We definitely rode that thing a little bit. Here's our new 1 hour candle coming in 17 seconds. Which again, man, I'm getting so teased on this stinking short. Which is obviously a terrible idea. Yeah, look at how well the EMAs are fanning out. Here's our new 1 hour candle. I mean, it's got a long way to push down, though.
Yeah, I mean, kind of making a little bull flag, but see if it gets that pop or. Oh, that's too many.
$969. $995. $969. Shoot.
Yeah, she's trying to push, guys.
Yep. Yeah, probably gonna bring my stops down a little. Yeah, shoot.
Yeah, it's really squeezing, isn't it?
Well, back to price action, gang. It's not doing what we're thinking it's supposed to do, but we're also not paying attention, I guess. To price action, man. Yeah, ES, fucking Nvidia, everybody popping. But ES is right at the top of its range. Qs are right at the top of its range. We have Wix that went up to 996. I don't know, man. Right? The second we go long, it's going to start dropping.
Yeah, I mean, we've had a good punch up, so.
Huge.
We fought
1,
it all the
2,
way.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 9 green candles in a row. You devil. $25K is going to get hit, says Marco. It definitely seems it, man. I just don't like how small these candles are starting to get now. You know, so momentum is drying up just a little, but well, there you go. All right.
I mean, it for sure wants 25, so.
Let's see.
I've
know
been
it's
trying
gonna
to get 25 and 26 all week, forever, and every time I fight for it, it just goes right against me. So.
Oh, I know, man. Which is it's almost what I'm presuming is going to happen right now. We'll see. Come on. There we go. All right, Marco.
Good job, Mark. Heck yeah.
Maybe 33. Shoo. Oh, there we go. All right. Not a bad trade. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of a drop in the bucket situation now. We dug ourselves a little hole. Little stinking hole. Ooh, who did that? All right. Let's see. VIX is crushing down. Nvidia has no brakes. Trying to get up here to the 190s. Triple Qs is past its resistance point. Though it does have one that is coming up on, maybe. ES. Oh, geez. Is ES in an empty pocket? Ooh, ES is in an empty pocket right now. So ES might have another 20 bucks to gallop here. Man, this is very zoomed in and kind of chaotic looking, but look at it. This is where ES is right now. And zooming to the left, we got over all these giant humps. We got over this hump. We got over these humps. So now, I mean, maybe here, but yeah, we're going up to like the 923s on ES. So if that's true, are we going up to 144? Maybe resistance at 57, then 144? 111? 104?
Yeah, I mean, ES kind of has a little, that 69.16, a little pullback area.
So Mark, if we look back at market, we can see we closed the gap, took out a low from 2 a.m., broke through the 15-minute orb, retraced to 50% of orb, and pushed away. Yeah, which, man, we've already blasted through our third price target, which would be 25,044. Now, here's a target that we can, on our 1 hour. This is from daily. If you zoom out, it's like a month, you know. So January 27th, the high of January 27th, we've touched it. Boom, 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 boom. And now it seems like we want to touch it again, which that would put us all the way up here at 25,100. So that might be a phenomenal short target. Also, it might be a good long target. So let's see if we can get Trading Cowboys. Oh shit! You're already in some.
I got in just on that previous candle and it wicked half that body. So just in the hole trying to recover some.
Yeah, man. I was gonna say let's see. Let's wait for your famous candle setup and see if we can't punch something. And then I'm like, oh, whoa.
I think we're down pretty good. Yeah, we're getting some of it back, but. Just kind of wanted to come down here and touch the 9 and then maybe look for some more longs, but.
Right. Just a little 20 points.
Let me do that. I'm going the wrong way again.
Nice, man. Nice trade. Beautiful trade, man. Look at that.
Not bad. Just taking a few off manually and trying to see if those quick ones will get hit. But
Yeah. Perfect.
and stopped out. So
Nice.
only
Bud.
down 95 now after being down. Well, what was that? $600 or something?
You're only down $95 right now?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, I'm down $796 right now.
I don't want to get trapped in the long now, but I mean that's my setup again right there.
That's what I was just thinking. The long.
Seems like we're running out of juice, so I don't know. You know, yesterday was the perfect opportunity to both directions, but to buy at the 9 and let the 21 be your stop. But
Right.
we're so far away from each other right now that really bothers me.
Yeah. I want to see a nice bull flag form, says Mark. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Which it seems like it wants to pop.
It's trying, and you know my entries for a bull flag, you know, previous, if you wanted to ride that bull flag, I'd be in around the 833, 835 area.
Yeah.
But man, there's been so many times here lately that it'll pop up and hit that. You think, okay, here we go, and then it just rejects right off of it.
Right.
So I notice a lot of guys now are going in, you know, even later than that. But
Yeah, and then just keeping the stops tighter. Yeah, like look at that.
yeah,
Now we're
see, this
losing
is
it.
the rejection I was wanting a while ago. But yeah, Mark, I mean, a beautiful rejection. Once it cleared the box and retraced for 50% of it, I mean, that's optimal, isn't it?
Almost thinking about trying to do a short here. But same thing, my shorts have just got chewed up all day today.
It's got to be right one time.
Yeah, right? But then look at this. That bull flag is looking kind of nice on the 1 minute now all of a sudden. It was starting to look a little bit weak. Now it's starting to look like it might want to push.
I mean, I can't help but think after 200 points, we got to get a pullback.
You think?
That's the only thing that's driving me.
Man, it's still poking. There you go, Bubba.
I'm going to try a little off that little repiece right there. Going to put my stops at the 60s. May get popped out of here real quick, but if it can push back below that 32, I'll know that's kind of our resistance.
Right.
Otherwise, we're going to get Mark's bull flag that he wants. I want him to have it if he wants it. So
I want him to have it. I want him to have it. Oh, yeah, Mark just said that he's long.
I mean, perfect setup right there to be long too. So especially if this 32 shows support.
Order filled.
Just kind of playing off the 5 minute. That 50, we hadn't got above it yet, so. And Mark, you're long, you're way smarter than me. I know that.
Order rejected. Order filled.
Greg's smarter than me too.
Order filled.
We'll see, though. It's struggling now. It's struggling to pop.
And there's the squeeze.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Got wicked out, guys. Shucks.
Shucks.
Good job, fellas. Good job, Mark.
Yeah, good call out, Mark.
Stop filled.
But I agree with your, trading cowboy. I agree with, fuck, man. It's a hard freaking day, man. I agree with your decision as well.
We're just up here so far, and
You know?
we're slowing down.
Yeah, and those 1 minute candle bodies were getting so small too. But yeah, VIX is still crushing, so I mean I think she's gonna keep going to the 25,100. What is your target, Mark? You already out or are you still long? I'm out, yeah. Yeah, I still got some wood
yeah,
to
next
chop.
pivot point's the 140s.
Yeah. Well, and again, that resistance line that I have on that's the daily basically would be right here at 25,102. So it'd be interesting to see what it does at the 100s.
Yeah.
Just
Wanna
got
trash
back to the
everything up there?
screen. All I can say is, damn, we banked today, says Charles. Nice, buddy.
Good job, Charles.
Good, 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 good.
My boy.
Clear sailing up to 25,400, says Mark. Oh.
25-4.
Got some smooth sailing, he says. I mean, yeah, or like Trading Cowboy said too. I see the wicks at the on the hourly. Those wicks at 144. Then we got some bodies at like 179. Nice consolidation zone from the 180s to the 400s. Oh shit, you're short again. You sneaky devil.
Oh.
At this point, we should cancel the
Lawn service?
lawn service and get a riding mower for you.
Yeah, we can. I think, do you usually communicate with them?
Well, they usually harass me with emails to pay the bill because I always forget and I never check the email.
Oh, okay. I'm not good at firing people. Do you want to send them the firing email? You're really good at it. 25,000 was my TP out, the 5-minute range.
Oh. I got experience with that, I guess.
You are. You're the best at it.
At firing people?
Yeah. That's what they said on your exit interview. They're like, that Jackie girl. Firing people, she's great at it.
You're a great person.
Yeah,
Get the fuck out.
just pretend Greg didn't take the trash out.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
Give 'em
Which
that-
again,
give 'em that talk.
keeping in mind, our driveway is like, how many feet long? Like 400 feet long or something. You know.
Probably,
So
yeah.
taking that trash out, that's pretty hard. that's a chore, man. We gotta jump on the mini bike.
That I don't do. I don't take the trash out.
Man, VIX is still crushing. Nvidia still kind of pushing.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. We gotta make it back. 10:20. Shit. Gotta be quick too. Are we finally gonna get that sync? Or is it just gonna keep ripping? Finicky day, man. Finicky day. You're out of it?
All
Yeah,
right.
I'm thinking about punching long. Seems like we got good support here at 48 now, right?
Yeah, I mean, we don't want to see. Yeah. I mean, there again, that 9's just been solid support.
Solid support, right?
In the last couple of days, it's been just like that. So
5 minute is just crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our 7th green candle on the 5 minute, which usually breeds a little bit of caution, but still, man, holy shit! Like every time we try to short this thing. Ooh. Do 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 do. Boom, 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 boom. His Tony box. Rigatoni.
So do you know what I found?
What?
Lincoln Logs does make a treehouse kit.
Oh.
And it comes with a tree, and then you build the house in the tree.
Did you show him yet?
No, I'm not gonna show them.
All right. When does it come? Tomorrow?
I haven't bought it.
Well, buy it.
Okay, what do we say to buy it?
I don't know. Put in there as the 25 ticket prize. Be like, oh, that just happened to me. Oh. You know?
I was gonna save it for his birthday, but you know.
All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. Got to do some dad duty, says Charles. Nice, Charles. Killing it as the dad. We love it.
have a good day, buddy.
Hats off to you, bud. Keep killing it. Keep killing it as a father. We love you. And appreciate you stopping in as always. All right, we're punching long. We're feeling silly. You know? Let's get some movement out of today. Don't you do it, you devil. You know, the second we do it, right? The second, like, all right. Let's punch long.
Oh.
Whose bright idea was that, guys? Whose idea was this? I'm not taking responsibility for you guys' mess.
Somebody hacked my computer.
Right? Son of a gun. Man, I'm going to have to retitle tomorrow's video. It's not going to be day 3. It's going to be day 1. You know?
At least we have a nice short we can do.
You know?
Day 1 of trying to pass an eval. The next day. Day 1 of trying to pass an eval.
So funny. Yeah, driving obsession. So funny. The second you decide to enter, drop like a rock. Literally, man. Literally.
I mean, I
inverse.
think driving obsession, I think he's giving us the right call outs. We just have to do the opposite.
Dude, right? The inverse indicator. The inverse indicator is in full effect today.
And I wasn't watching this candle open, but that's kind of what I was wanting to see. We closed below the 9 and we went up and retested it. Now it's kind of pulling it down. But
yeah. Yep. Come on, you devil. Go
that's why
up.
we know the market makers are watching our sim accounts, right?
100%, man. Like Sink or Swim just got a new follower yesterday, and it was Jerome Powell.
Yeah.
It's actually Kathy Woods. Kathy Woods and Jerome Powell just, you know. Man, formed a nice little bear flag on the 1 minute just to get me nice and scared.
I mean, it bounced right there off the 36 is pretty nice. Just kind of ran out of volume and
yeah. Manually take a couple of those off. Just for not completely wrong.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
And that, gang, is why, when in doubt, just average down the shit out of your account.
Yeah, just DCA it. And
Listen, a DCA a day keeps the doctor away. Are you short now? Oh.
I just shorted it right there at the top of that.
You slippery
Just as
little...
soon as they kind of tested my little blue trend line again.
Yeah. You
I
slippery
mean,
little
it's
fish.
doing the perfect setup for my bull flag. I mean, everything I've taught y'all about me being a bull.
Throw it out the window today. Man, I gotta say, win or lose, at least we have a lot of fun.
Yeah, I mean, for the stream, I'm gonna get one of these shorts right one day, and everybody's gonna be like, "Whoa!"
Yeah, I know it. That's how he passed the eval, was on shorts.
That's gonna be our next challenge. You can either do all long or all short, but that's the next challenge after we get this one passed.
I love that idea. What an interesting way to trade, though. And watch how phenomenal we do as traders when you only stick to one. Like this entire week, you can only do longs.
Yeah.
On Monday,
There you go.
listen, gang, tune
There you
in
go.
Monday, starting Monday, and we'll do it. I guess what based on. No, you like longs, so let's just go long. So yeah, we'll do
Oh, yeah, I don't
longs
care either
only.
way, so.
Yep, Monday through Friday.
If we do longs and I don't get it right, y'all don't know why. So
Yeah,
or shorts,
right.
I mean.
Right. Damn, dude. I love that idea. I'm very intrigued. And again, I think that we'll be... You guys already know I was long, says Mark. Yeah, bubbies.
Yeah, Mark, I was rooting for you the whole time I was
Yeah,
clicking that sell button.
bubbies. I got long way too early. I got long here at the 58s and then DCA'd all the way down.
And this is almost a learning curve for me too, trying to short it. I mean, I know what's coming and I know when to get out as a bull, so I'm trying to take that and say, okay, I would be getting out right here, so I'm just going to short it.
Yep.
And so I'm kind of learning on the fly with these shorts as, you know, as we go, right here live with y'all guys. So
Yeah, that's what we're here for, baby. That's what we're here for, baby. What happened to my music? Man, we're just kind of in a chop range, really. Since 10:16. A little bit of choppity. So there's got to be, there's got to be something. There's got to be a reaction down so we can go up. There's got to be a spike up so we can go down.
yeah.
I don't like that we aren't making new highs. If we get a strong push lower with a new lower high, then Mark is going to start shorting. I know, man. We kind of seem to be just stuck here, right? I think there's going to be some type of a trap. We're looking for a little
Yeah, I mean, we broke
Traposaurus
that
Rex.
first trend line I had set. We just broke this trend line. We're not making any higher highs, and that's the only reason I'm just sitting here chill as a pickle,
Chill as a
playing the long, or
He
playing the
goes,
short.
chill as a pickle. Chill as a pickle, says the cowboy. Well, I'm going to fade you just for a sec, sir. Not thinking that you're wrong, but just thinking we've had good support here. Let's see if we can't play the range.
I mean, I took 2 off right there. I think I'm only $40 away from being green again, so.
Ooh, come on. I thought we'd be able to play this range. Can we not play the range? We're
I
not
think
allowed
so.
to
I think
play
we
the
gotta.
range?
We could hold here, but the 33, maybe a wick right there like that, and then a push up maybe if it gets it. But
Shorts was the way. Shorts was the way.
yeah, see, there's your wick. There's your good push back up.
Shoot. Of course, man. Always wicked out perfectly. Up 1,500 on the funded, says Good News. Hell yeah.
Yeah, great job. Good News.
Mark says we went up 273 points in 30 minutes. We got to let that trend rest. Not sure if Good News should close and walk away. Man, I would. If I was up 1,500 on the funded, I'd probably walk away today. Because it's just a good feeling, right? And are you going to feel that much better if you walk away at 2,000? You'll feel a little better. But how pissed you're going to be away if you walk away at 1,000, right? Because you're like, fuck, I was at 1,500.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's what you got to do, because I definitely get upset if I do that. So if I'm up, 1,500, I may go in and say, okay, I'm going to risk 300 and that's it.
Yeah.
And then so I'm going to walk away with 1,200 for the day, worst case. But if you're going to stay and keep playing, definitely set yourself a limit and know I'm going to walk away no matter what. Because if I'm up 15 and then I get down set to 750, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to get back up to that 15 and then I'll walk away with nothing. So
you can just lock yourself out, put it in Trade Evade so it automatically locks you out.
Yeah.
Man, you're still holding this short beautifully, man. Beautifully. Well, I guess I gotta follow you. At this point, I gotta follow you.
45 points, 44 points. I mean, it's kind of starting to build out a little bit of a base here if it could hold, but really thought we'd have to dip down to that 10 and 20 area.
Well, it still seems like Nvidia wants to curl down a little, Qs want to curl down a little, but at the same time, you're right, we're basing, so it's bringing all the EMAs up to us, which sometimes isn't necessarily a great sign.
Yeah, pullback incoming is what Good News says. So, I mean, we just have to. I mean, I guess we don't have to, but if it was a 100-point run up, then maybe we wouldn't have to have a big pullback. But
right, we should get
273 points. We should get a 60, 80 point pullback. I mean, come on.
Right.
And we got everybody talked into the longs, because this is where I get chewed up as a bull.
Yep.
I'm thinking, okay, this is a little pullback, and then they just keep flushing it.
Yep. It's like basically a head and shoulders, an ugly head and shoulders, right? It's a little deformed head there.
Yeah.
Deformed head with a triple top. Hopefully. Because I need to make back some shmonies.
Good News is in 1 NQ. All right, let's go. Good job.
There we go. It's breaking. It's thinking about breaking.
I mean, there's 20 areas where it rocketed last time, so we may see a little push up. I'm going to take one more off there, so I got one left.
Good News says I'm in 1 NQ. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Man, I just keep choosing the wrong side of it.
on a 5, we don't have any wicks on the last two 5-minute candles. We don't have any wicks on right there at the 2250 area. So I mean, I still don't know why we wouldn't come down below that again
Yeah.
and kind of clean that area up. But we push right back up over that 9.
Dang. Yeah, shoot. Now it's going to retest this line. We're going to retest the 60s.
Mark said this is giving me mixed messages. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I know it, man. And I'm unfortunately, I'm just in too heavy now. Too heavy for an
if we look
uncertain
back
direction.
at the overall picture, it's kind of just a nice little inversion we have set up. We had that push up, kind of W patterned,
Yeah.
pulled back, didn't make a lower low necessarily because we had 2,500 or 25,000 would make us a lower low down there. So.
Got 40 seconds left of this candle. Darn it. So this should be, hopefully, the curl down point. If we're right. Nope. Shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't
There's
do
a
it.
new high, but it really pulled down now, so.
Don't do it. Yeah, I screwed this one up. Shoot. Shoot. So close.
All right, not to worry. I'm back in with you.
Dang. Didn't play it right today. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Stop fail.
Yep. Boo. Alright, tomorrow's a new day. Day number one. Day number one. Man, I'm excited for next Monday, though. Next Monday is going to be a lot of
Hey,
fun.
we're still dropping.
Longs
Come on.
only. Longs only.
Long zone.
Fuck me, man. If I'd just been able to, my drawdown killed me, man. I was, fuck.
Oh yeah.
If I'd been able to hold it just a little bit longer, we'd have been okay. That drawdown messed me up. Darn it, darn it, darn it. The stupid chop. Choppity choppity chop.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I mean, the 9 and 21 acts like it's trying to hold now. And
Yeah. Man, how'd you end up? Are you green right now or are you red?
I'm right on the fence. I'm. Well, look at that. I mean, $5 up.
It's amazing, man. It's
$10.
amazing, though. Dude, you do it. Yeah, man. You do a phenomenal job. That's crazy. Like, you can. Whew. Man, you just, yeah, you know how to pick stuff really quick. You're like, what, you know?
It's easy when you turn me off screen. I just buy 60 of those micros and
Yeah.
let it ride for a second. So
Just fucking. Nice. Sinking a little, sinking a little.
keep pulling it right back up. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Mark's looking for a bull flag to go long again.
Yeah.
Order fill.
Mark, I usually just change time frames until I see a bull flag. That's how I just keep changing. So on a 2-minute, we got a nice one playing out. All right, fixing to hit both my runners right here. And I'm out. Still down for the day. See, I'm just kind of scared of the longs right here, though. Even if it did produce and push through,
Yeah.
you know, in theory, a lot of people's been trained. You enter that bull flag at that 71, 72 area, and it wicked above it and pulled down, kind of scared some people, and now we're getting that push. But
So good news, lost that 300. Walk away. Thanks, boys, for today. Taking that bag, 1232 on the day. Hell yeah, 1K is better than a blown account. Yes, sir,
hey, good job,
it
good news,
is.
man.
Yes, sir, it is.
Super proud for you. Heck yeah.
Hell yeah. And I mean, again, what a you did it the smart way, right? You did it the smart way. You're locked out. You walked away happy. You know, you didn't tilt. You didn't go down to exactly a blown account or anything else, man. You did it beautifully. Man, a little reaction up here to 87. Kaboom.
Yeah, I almost clicked that buy button and then it did that. Shucks.
Dang. Which I still think now, you know, it's got to hit the 100s. Let's
What's
go,
up,
Jose.
Let's go, buddy.
Let's go, buddies. I was late on hitting the buy button too. Yeah, me too, man. Obviously, I got quite a lot of wood to chop right now. So I'm on NQs right now. Which is,
shoot.
yeah, right? Which is probably going to be a terrible idea. You know? But we'll see. What time is it? 10:49. So we got our 10:50 candle coming here in 45 seconds. Just gotta wait out this 1050 candle and see what it does. See what kind of volatility we get. I hate that
Yeah,
feeling
you know,
of
the way the
gambling
market's
where it could go
closing.
either way. I know it, good news. I know it, man. Yeah, I hate it too. And I hate it when I'm, you know, I hate it when I'm so down on account too. When I'm so down, I'm like, "Rrr." Jose says, buy right stinking now. That 1050. All right, man. I'm going to buy right now. Just for you, Jose. I was going to wait until it hit this 21, but let's see. Let's see, bud.
Yeah, good news. And that's what I mean, we were up here way at the top and it's a gamble. So I think the only gamble I could make was shorten it. And we just kept getting little pops here and there. So,
Yep. Uh-oh. Let's see.
yeah, if you're green, walk away. Yeah, that's the best. That's the
Yeah.
best thing to do.
That's the good advice right there. Uh-oh. We're getting close. Well, there it goes, boys. Shoot. Not the best train today. Oh.
Hey guys, so if y'all want to tune in tomorrow, we're gonna start day one of passing our eval.
Day one, day one, day one, day one.
We're gonna do all this together.
Oh my god, gang. What the heck? It's too funny. Too funny. Man, yeah. Shoot, shoot, shoot. So here we are at our blue line of resistance. Everything's starting to curl down a little bit though. Nvidia's starting to curl down a little as well. After our failed attempt at a long, maybe shorts of the way. Now it's gonna go, maybe. Now it's gonna go. Let's see.
I mean, he does it in all caps, like, now it's going to go.
Right.
Maybe.
Right now.
Maybe. Oh, let's go, Jose. There it is. Look at that pop.
Yeah, there it is. There it is. Rip into the moon, boys. Rip into the moon. Yeah, that would have helped if that happened a couple minutes ago.
Hey, thanks for the call out, Jose, though. I took this on one of my funded accounts off screen, so let's go. Got 285 right there for you, Jose.
Dang it, man. Yeah, that would have been a good one, man. I'd be up a couple hundred, unfortunately. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
And just a little lesson I learned on that, if I show y'all so y'all can see some receipts here. This is the one I put my little short out yesterday, made 600 on it after we got up above the buffer, took a payout, you know, take profits 80-20, so got like 475 yesterday in cash.
Hell yeah.
Banked on it, made a little 689 yesterday, made another 285 just now on Jose's call out. So up
Nice.
285. Not gonna trade it anymore, so now it's at 52,968. So at 3:15 today or so, I'll request another payout, and I'll take out about 900 bucks.
Hell yeah, buddies.
And that's the good thing about take profit, right? Is you can do that every day, guys.
Right.
Get it above the buffer and just little small base hits.
Just push it, push it, push it, push it.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Well, there we go. We finally got a nice little long. From the 67s up here to 90. Nice little 30-point trade. Let's go. Hey, Jose.
Heck yeah, Jose.
We finally got
Good
one.
call out, brother.
We finally got one.
Gave me a 15-point banger.
Shoo. Man, so here we are finally at that blue line that we called out a long stinking time ago. It's like a magnet. So now that we're there, let's see what kind of response that we get. I'd almost presume some type of little tiny reaction down, but at the same time,
You're a smart man.
Nvidia still has. Oh, are you going short right now? Nice. Nice, you devil.
I mean, Nvidia's not telling us that necessarily because
That's what I was just gonna say. Yeah, I was like, man, Nvidia doesn't really
VIX
have.
is dropping, but this is kind of that 100 area. I figured a lot of people probably set their take profit right there.
Yeah.
And let's be honest, I know you're fixing to leave. I'm still down like 40 bucks. So I'm even going to get even or even worse.
Yo, all the time.
Even or even worse, guys.
Always. Always. Come on.
And another little trick, guys, when it gets too close to your where you're entered, you just make it bigger, and it gets farther away.
Right? And then you're good. All right, we made a couple extra points, you know?
Oh, that was a
so
nice push
good.
back up. This may be a little bull flag playing out. Shucks. Could put your stops right above the high just to see, but
Yeah, man, crazy
I
to
like
see.
it. I like that it's making a little shelf right there.
Just a 300-point push.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's just a push back down.
Stop filled.
Let's see if it makes a lower low or if it. I'm gonna take one more off right there just to eliminate some of my risk. There we go. I mean, VIX is still dropping. I mean,
Yeah.
Nvidia's booming.
And yeah, Nvidia's blasting through the friggin' roof right now.
So this makes no sense, but I guess I'll hold the short.
So I'm gonna hold it short.
I don't know. I mean, what do you? I mean, that
Yeah.
doesn't make any sense. The
Yeah.
only thing I like is that NQ's kind of dropping, and Nvidia is kind of at that pivot point,
Yep.
and it kind of rejected. So if we can get that rejection,
Yeah.
we don't
Hey,
have
morning,
anything rolling
Danielle.
on VIX.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Yeah. Good morning. Good to see you here. Thanks for coming.
Let's see. 25,074. Here goes our new 1-hour candle, 3 seconds away.
And you'd almost want to see a little push up on it and a hard rejection
Yeah.
if we're going to go back down. Because, I mean, where do you want it to retrace to if we're going back up, right? I mean,
Right.
golly. If you want half the candle, it's got to drop 60 points. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, it should come back down to the 25,022, as you think. Just get a
Yeah,
big
exactly.
ol'
So,
big ol' trade out of it. Crazy the strength it still has.
my stops are at break even, but it looks like it's going to hit it. And then I'm just going to kind of try to be patient and watch and see, because the 1 hour is kind of doing what we expect. I don't know that I want it to necessarily go over
Yeah, I
back
mean,
to the 25 to 1, but
the 1 hour
I'd want to see
has
rejection right here.
It has to push down. Maybe 123s, but yeah, man, I don't know. I see it coming down instead of coming up, but I've been wrong, obviously, all day today, so let's not go off me.
I mean, we had to have that wick, I think, and that's what I liked about this. I mean, we were in, you know, not terrible, but
Yeah.
it came right back to it. I like the wick. Now we need to get a big push down.
shoot, man. It's just been doing this move all day, right?
Yeah.
Doing the pump up, then we get a little consolidation, then the pump up, little consolidation. Though it's hit a couple drops here too. I don't stink it, no. All right, all in short. All in short. The eyes don't lie, Chico. I know, dude. This is hard because, like, look at this is literally the copy and paste of this pattern right here, where it could push up. Fuck me. But at the same time, we also have it right here, where it pushed down.
I mean, the only thing it could do to kind of get a bunch of people is if it could pop back above that 25-100, finally get it, and then just crater. But
Yeah.
this is kind of a point I mean, we're kind of gambling here. The 85s, there's not really any wicks.
Right.
We have all these wicks up. They're getting shorter, but we do have those wicks up like it wants to pop. But
Right.
there we go. There's a little push down. Yeah, Mark said if we can't break 100, it'll push down to get more fuel. Yeah, and that's
Yeah.
what I didn't want to see it do, Mark. I don't want to see it just punch through the 100 and then,
Right.
because I think right now a lot of shorts are shorting here. Their stop is above the high, and so a lot of times you see that push. Like right now, okay, my runner was hit. It's going to punch above, so let's see what it does now. Are we going to get like 105 and then just a hard rejection, or
Oof.
yeah, Mark was long, couldn't get the 100. Yeah, and that's what it does a lot of times. It fakes all those guys out. It stops just short because everybody knows, hey, we're gonna get that 100,
Right.
and then it pulls back 20 points. Wow.
Three seconds left of the candle. Yeah, man, it's just been an all afternoon push. This is nuts now, man. Just push, 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 push. Got to get a rejection at some point here, you'd think.
Have a little rejection here on a 4-hour at the 113s. Kind of push through a lot of the dailies. Maybe the 120s on a daily be a good rejection.
Mark is calling it might just keep grinding higher.
Yeah, well, he called it out this morning, right? 25
Yeah.
400s, I think.
400s. We're only 300 points away, and we've already chewed up. We've already gone up 300. So it's
Yeah.
not like it's that far fetched. Which again, just man, it's nuts when you look at this, you know. Oh jeez. Oh no, No, did it finally die? It did. My mouse died.
Oh no.
Yeah, that does suck. Alright, hold on. So yeah, this is what I was gonna show, is this giant trend line right here. Oh man, this is gonna be a little difficult. Alright, well I gotta get going in a sec anyways. Just seeing if I could get one last trade, because that's my favorite thing to do. We are also above the initial balance high. If we were going to head lower, we would be below that by now. Interesting. Above the initial balance high. So you're saying like the 25,017s or 25,025s is the initial balance high? Shoot, well here's our little tiny rejection. So am I allowed to go long now, or is that going to be a terrible idea? You know? I mean, literally, that was the reaction that I was kind of expecting, but now here it is. I don't know.
You know, I kind of thought we were going to punch
67,
the 20s. The 28 was kind of on the 4 hour
yeah.
before we saw any kind of pullback, but
Alright, I'm going to try a little long right there and see what happens. Man, this is hard not having your mouse.
oh yeah. Yeah, it's a whole different ball game, isn't it?
Yeah, man. And Marco goes, and I would be wrong. Well, I don't know, man. I'd say, so this, you know, we've respected the 21 fairly well this entire time. So I think this is just maybe just a little temporary dip.
Yeah, and you know, I mean, this is the 1 minute, so it's not a very good confirmation, but I mean, here's kind of our lows, and then we went way away from it. We're kind of coming back to it. This is kind of a lower time frame right here.
Mm-hmm.
So we kind of got to break through the 90s or the 75s, and then on this candle we'd have to break through the 40s.
Yep.
And then I think we could get a good push down. You could go kind of target, you know, the 900s and even these lows, but I mean, right now we're just riding the 9 and 21. They're kind of starting to cross over a little bit again on the 1 minute. So
Oh, yeah, I don't even have VWAP on here right now. I deleted it because I wanted whoops, VWAP. What? Come on. Why is that not showing up? Nice push back up to the
Yeah,
100s.
good.
Man, still a little down. Alright, I gotta give myself a time limit. I'm never gonna walk away. This is still kind of setting up for longs, even though that's a little mini bear flag. Got lots and lots and lots of lines on there to confuse the market makers. We got to break 101 for us to continue up. Come on. Here's our new 5-minute candle, which we really didn't get any push up on. So we're going to be a little cautious here. Yeah, keep her cautious, keep her cautious, keep her cautious. Well, shoot, man. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think?
I'm really surprised that bear flag didn't play out, but we're just getting that slow grind now. Which is great for you. I mean, at least you have to ride that long for a little bit.
Yeah, I got a couple just, squeaky points out of it, but...
Yeah.
Huh. Well, we did a good job with our practice rounds. Tomorrow the real thing starts, gang.
Yeah, we're going to do the real one.
Tomorrow's the real one. Oh, man. Oh, shoot, right. Forgot my mouse doesn't work. Yeah, she's still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. See if we can't get a little reactionary push before this bear flag decides to play out. Nope. Right against one of your magical blue lines. Let's see what the
Yeah.
magical blue line
Crazy how
does.
that works, isn't it?
Right? See if the magical blue line can save me. Darn it. Oh no! How many pairs? What was it, like under the bed or something like that? Yeah, shoot. Oh, you think about short and shoot, man.
I'm just kind of watching this 9 right here. I know
Yeah.
you're long.
Shoot, yeah, Nvidia was looking strong for a second there, making me feel a little bit better about it, but now it is not. What time is it? New candle, new 5-minute right here. Uh-oh. Yeah, we're pushing down. Shoot. Well, against the 45, is the 45 going to give any support, or are we just 100% wrong today? Your short would have been the right move.
I never thought I'd hear somebody tell me that.
That's funny, man.
Yeah, baby.
I mean, the 9's crossing over the 21. We really want it below this last blue line for a nice. This kind of breaks the trend in my mind.
Yeah.
And I think that's what O0 Don, if he was here, I think that's what he'd be saying right now. I think that's kind of how he draws his. So
Where you got that trend line at? What is the price point? If it was to kiss it.
if it's on this candle here, it's roughly 73, I guess.
Yeah, alright.
And then it would move up to the next candle. So I kind of think above it, you're looking for dip buys. Below it, then start targeting shorts maybe. But
Yep. Pretty soon.
if we could come up and touch the 9, well, I don't know.
You know, if you let go of your time when you get back,
No, because I've left early both times, and then we go to parking lots and drive around and stuff. Because we had to go get bench tops and stuff today too. Yeah, to his house. But yeah, it just kind of ensures that everything is ready to go. Getting real wiki right here, real stinking wiki.
It is.
Kind of waiting to see what Nvidia does as well. I'm going to take one off just because I think the shorts are almost better than the longs at this point. Oh, you're short right now, huh? Yeah, I think the shorts are looking good.
Just off the top of that. I mean, you had a really nice pump.
Uh-huh.
So now my stops are just going to be at the top of these wicks. I mean, it's got to get below this bottom blue line for it to be kind of a trend break for me. But
Yeah.
I mean, this is the setup you want to go long too, right? There's halfway retracement. Maybe get a pop up. What do we got? Nvidia kind of bounced off the 14.
Yeah. I know, that's what I was just looking at was Nvidia. Shoot. Just can't get the right side of this stinking thing. Oh yeah, Nvidia's kind of pushing. VIX is coming up a little though.
Definitely not it.
Oh yeah, yeah, crummy towels. Yeah, that sounds good. You're shorting again. Yeah, you're shorting again.
I'm still in. I'm still in from all of
Oh, you
those.
never got out? No way.
No.
Shoot, man. I'm just an idiot today. Don't follow me, gang. Oh, I saw Nvidia getting strong for a second. I'm like, maybe this is it.
And it still looks pretty decent on Nvidia. I mean, it kind of retraced half that previous candle and has that. It's trying to push back up. So. Kind of want it to close below 85 if the shorts are going to play out. But
Come on, Jet.
Nvidia is looking a little better. It's turning green now. I mean, it's good. The Bulls do not want to give up, so that's excellent.
Shoot, man. Yeah, I just did a terrible job today. Nvidia might be bear flag again. It's just a real ugly one.
Yeah, it really is, isn't it? The 2-minute kind of looks a little bit better for a bear flag on it, but
Man, our average candle range is 10 now. We honestly shouldn't be trading. Now I'm just trying to I'm just basically over here revenge trading. Trying my best to get back to break even on this account, which is a dumb thing to stink and do. You know?
yeah.
Fuck he. Ugh. Yeah, now we're battling 10-point candles. This is dumb.
There's a good pop. I just want like 100 points. Come on.
Dude, I know, right? Come on.
How hard can it be?
Apparently very friggin' hard.
Yeah, see, now I think it's trying to turn around a little bit. That was a nice push.
Fuck me, though. Man, Nvidia. Oh, there you go. There's a push.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Wow, nice. See if I can get out of this real quick. Can I get out of it, chat?
Nice job.
As long as it comes down to...
It's almost there.
Oh. Oh, so close. Pull back.
There you go. Little one. Little one.
Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, that was so close.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Terrible.
Well, I just double clicked. I just double clicked right here at the top because I don't have my friggin' mouse, man. Let's see how this friggin' works out. I might have to just get out of this. Yeah, well, it's working out. Alright. Which is deplorable because I got like 10 bucks off that, which is so dumb. Yeah, that was dumb. What was that? Right. You don't have to do it though. got a farm, lady.
Oh, where? What? Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Done it, done it, done it. Yeah, I think your short's gonna work better than my long. Guess we have to find out, he says. Dude, nice thinking hold, man.
Well,
Nice.
well, it
hold.
was either that or nothing, right?
Right.
Oh shoot! Should just exit that and close the YouTube.
Yeah. I know, honestly, I gotta get going, man. I know, I gotta get going too. I've just been sitting here. Let's see, this is a, yeah, fuck.
Still failed.
Dude, I know, you guys are still here! I know, Mark, we gotta leave, bud. It hasn't been a good
Yeah.
decision. That's for sure. It hasn't been a good decision to stay. Here I am, trying to short again. We'll see. Short and a bear, or short and a bull flag.
Yeah, Mark, you should have saw it. I machine gunned the crap out of that while ago. I was way down, so I just bought 40 micros, and now here we are back to even. Only have 2 left. Glad you didn't watch that.
Here's a new candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's slowly building it up, but still, man, it's like, it's been weird.
See, I shouldn't ever put that 9 on my screen, because now it just respects it.
The
It
devil,
didn't get to do that.
right?
I mean, Nvidia is rolling over.
I know.
VIX is down a little bit.
It should, right? It should go down.
Yeah. Come on, break the 21. Let's go.
Oh, that didn't work. Oh, right. I forgot I'm supposed to be covering right now. Son of a bitch. That's funny. Whoops.
There hasn't been an invalidated long most of the day. Yeah, you're right, Mark, for sure.
Yeah, I don't like it. So Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia's kind of curling down hard. Greg, Apex is 90% off if you're restarting the prop challenge tomorrow. We are. Yes, sir, we know. I know, man. Here it is. It's 11:40. I gotta get going. We'll give it 3 seconds more. See if it does anything exciting here. Anything on the way out? I mean, yeah, Nvidia's still looking weak, but it doesn't seem to be friggin' breaking.
I mean, I wanted to turn around, but
Mm-hmm.
Should we go to the White House? Because it would take a good deal.
The White House?
To the White House.
Like where the president lives?
Yeah.
That's where you want to go for vacation, the White House?
I'm looking for some maps.
there we go. Come on, baby. Be the one, Mark. Be the one. This is the candle we need, maybe. Come on. Don't look at the wick.
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Dude, right? Like, how?
Right here.
How? Well, let's try it again then. You son of a bitch. I
See,
can't
Mark, he was
believe it,
doing fine. He
honestly.
was starting to calm down a little bit, and then you told him Apex was 90% off, and he's like, "Oh yeah," and so he just starts adding back into it.
Right. Yeah, devils.
I mean, I do like this for a long now since we got those 2 big green candles. But,
Oh, thanks, man. Now you tell me.
oh, I'm still short.
I'm
too,
just kidding.
buddy.
I'm just kidding.
I just don't want it to trick me.
Are you ready?
Man, I mean, it just seems like it's ripe to just fall off the cliff because of Nvidia, but she's just not going. I can't believe how slow Nvidia's going now.
Are you ready?
I don't even remember what I just said, man. What are we disagreeing with? That's that ADD brain, man. I've just been talking too long today. What did I say? It said that it looks like Nvidia is falling off the cliff. Is that what we're disagreeing with? I think the market wants to go up. Did I say the market was going to go up? Or did you say the market? Who said it? Did I say it was going up or did I say? I don't fucking know, man. Honestly, you guys shouldn't listen to me. I don't even listen to myself half the time.
Oh, dude. Yeah.
Trading Cowboy likes that. Man, my one buddy that was in new home sales said that too. He was only in new home sales for like 6 months. He just wasn't cut out for it. But that's what he said as an icebreaker when a client came back one time and she's like, yo, last time I was here you said, and the second she said you said, he goes, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't listen to anything that I said. I don't even listen to anything that I said. And I'm like, you can't say that to a client, man.
Yeah.
Bull versus bear
truly.
said it's gonna tank. It's weak. He said it's looking weak. We're gonna break through this hundreds. We're gonna make some stinking shmoney today.
Yeah, go to the place
All
where
right, Jackie. God damn it.
pays you money.
All right, gang. With that, love you to death. Tomorrow is an exciting day. We're going to start a brand new thing. It's a prop challenge with brand new fresh accounts. We're going to see how long does it take.
Until Greg blows up the account.
Jackie, fuck you. The support of my beautifully endearing wife. Fucking asshole. All right, gang. Love you all to death. With that, we got to get out of here. We'll see you bright and early, 9:25. We'll see what kind of accounts we can blow up tomorrow.
Yeah,
Thanks for
remember,
riding
guys,
along
we
with
love
us.
you. There's nothing
Yeah.
you can do about it.
Right, sorry for talking over you, but I was just going to say that make sure that you pop over to Trading Cowboy's channel. Obviously, he knows what the heck he's doing, and you will pass some accounts with him. All right, gang.
Gotta finish this
Love you to death.
one way or another.
Have a good one. See if we can do that without a mouse.